Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good cornbread. To achieve the perfect texture and flavor, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start with fine ground cornmeal, not coarse, for a tender crumb. Buttermilk is crucial for its tangy flavor and to react with baking soda, giving your cornbread a lovely lift. And don't forget a well-seasoned cast iron skillet. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix. First, combine all your dry ingredients thoroughly in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients until they are well blended. Then, gently pour the wet mixture into the dry. Mix just until everything is combined. Overmixing will develop the gluten, leading to tough cornbread. Now for the secret to that incredible crust. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your cast iron skillet with a tablespoon of butter or oil inside the oven as it preheats. Once hot, carefully pour your batter into the sizzling skillet. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. Your perfect cornbread is ready. Let it cool in the skillet for a few minutes before carefully inverting it onto a wire rack or cutting board. This allows it to set and makes slicing easier. Serve it warm with a generous pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside your favorite chili or greens for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.